Alright, on this episode, we're going to get the airbags in the Dodge. Let's start with getting the front plates cut so we can put the bags in.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic.
Hey guys, before I start this episode, I just want to mention that we've got merchandise out now on our store. I'll put a link to the store in the description. This is, it's just a simple shirt, basically the OG on what we started the channel with. So all the boys wear them, me included, while filming and everything like that. It's got a small logo on the front, bigger logo on the back. Comes in small, medium, large, extra large, 2XL. So yeah, $35 plus postage on top. Regardless of order size, postage remains the same. So whether you buy one shirt or all of them, choice is yours. So yeah, like, subscribe and share. Get down to the merch store, grab yourself a shirt. There's a few more coming, a few more designs and that. So the more you buy, the more it helps us out, and the more shirts and stuff and merchandise and stuff we can get built. So yeah, like I said, like, subscribe and share. Get on that merch store, grab yourself a shirt, and yeah, I'll continue this episode on for you now. Have a look at these bad boys, hey? Look at this, I'll put it on top. You cannot get better than that, hey? Look at that. Alright, so here I've got the airbags. They're only cheap Chinese things, but this plug here says that it's 1/2 inch. I don't know if you can see that, but it's clearly not, because I went around looking for fittings and they don't fit. So I went out and I bought a set. So we'll find 1/2 inch. Here's 1/2 inch. We'll try these in them, and we'll tap them, see if we can get them to fit. We'll see if they fit and if I can tap them out. Some will, some won't. These are two different batches. I did buy a drill bit. This is the one that was stolen. Apparently it wasn't stolen. They just decided to keep it for 4 days over a weekend for safekeeping. So 4 days, a weekend with everyone home. But it wasn't stolen. But anyways, see if we can get this to start and we can tap it out. I don't think we will be able to. It's gonna have to go in a vise, so I'll have to set my vise up. I'll do that, and we'll see if we can get these threads done. Alright, so I've got it in on an impact. We'll see if we can get this to start cutting. I think it's going to have to be drilled. Alright. We'll get the drill in the drill press. We'll start drilling it. See how we go. Alright, let's see if this will drill. No, it doesn't need much, but I mean, should be enough to get that in. We'll obviously blow it all out and vac it before we go tapping. Alright, let's try again. Hopefully this will go a bit smoother now. I'm gonna have to put it in a vise and do it. It's just not quite happening. Or a bigger socket and gun. Not that I can get that off now. Alright, we'll vise it and we'll do it. Alright, so the rear bags are bolted in. See, I've tapped them. I've got the fittings sitting in there. They fit in pretty nice. I've welded in, well, first of all, I've cut the plates, the spring hangers off the arms. You can see that I've previously welded some plate there. It's got to be painted and everything. And I have welded in the top airbag plates. So they're in. And now I'm just going to bolt them in, try to figure out where the center bolt is going to go down in them. And then I'll pull them out, paint it up, make sure it's all nice and clean and everything. Now, I've welded the tops of these. I just got to weld the bottom ends, they're only tacked there. And then, yeah, we'll give them a test and see what happens. It's been a few weeks, but that's okay. We'll get these running and we'll see what happens. Alright, so the bottoms are welded in, as you can see, both sides. Now, I did find bolts for the bags. So, because we got the plates in, I got some cardboard sitting in there. I will bolt the bag in, we'll put a bolt in the bottom, and we'll try and lower this down, and we'll see where it sits. And then I can just flip the template, put it in that one, drill them, we'll bolt them in. And then it's just a matter of measuring up some shocks. Glenn gave me some out of Chuck, but for the front I think they're too big, so I'm gonna have to try and find some smaller ones. And I've got to order a seal for the rear of the gearbox here too, and then we can getting the drive shaft done. Then once the shocks are in and the drive shaft is on, we can put the body on. So, and you're probably wondering, oh yeah, but then you've got to get under there to do all that. Well, I don't, because the front of the floor where your feet rest actually unbolt. See? So I can literally take that out and then we can work on the gearbox and everything from above. So yeah, that's where we're at so far. Alright, so the hole's drilled, you can see it there. I did it on the other side also. So we'll wait for this paint to dry so it's not so nasty. You see I painted up the top. And we'll bolt the bag in, we'll give it a go. Alright, so I've got the two shocks for the rear. I've already got one mounted in there, I'll show you that in a second. I've had to drill out the bottom and put a M16 bolt through. The only things I got left before we can put the body on is this rear seal. I've got that ordered, it's on its way. And then I've just got to space out the arms on the bottom because the brackets are massive compared to the arms. I don't know why they made them like that. And run the air lines, which I'll do today once I get these shocks in. So anyways, I'll show you what this assembly looks like. Alright, so I haven't gotten this tightened, but you can see I've got the bolt in the top and it goes all the way through. I'm just going to pull that through and then run a bead of weld around that so it doesn't move, and I'll paint them black. I've got the bolt down the bottom. It's welded onto the bolt for the arm, so everything will move freely, and I'll just rinse and repeat on this side, and then I'll have shocks here. Alright, so I've got everything all painted up nice and pretty. I got the lines in. I've got the lines in there. I've got the lines in the front here. So let's just get some compressed air into these and we'll see if it all works and goes like it should. All right, so there you have it. It's all bagged all the way around, front and rears now. All I got to do is just put the drive shaft to the gearbox, which I've ordered a seal. That's on its way. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. We can put the body back on. I'm trying to find some exhaust fishtail tips for the rear. I'd like to get them welded on before I go putting the body on, but I mean, it's not essential. I'll get that seal in, and then I'll put the brake master, the new master I've got on, and then we'll drop the body on. So that'll probably all be happening in the next episode. But for now, that's going to do this one. We've got the airbags all the way around. Everything turned out in the end. We've got our package for safekeeping. All the bags are in. They all run. Everything worked out. So, like I always say, stay tuned. And yeah, in the next episode, we'll be doing everything. And grab yourself a shirt. All right, it's a self-funded channel. So grab yourself a shirt. Helps us out a lot and helps us keep these going.